the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's cook white beans soup. This beans is very popular in Cuba too and in Spain, but I always, when I travel with my family, I buy something special for my company, for my clients. And in this case, I buy in Barcelona this special is morcilla, is chorizo ibérico and bacon ibérico. And I try to make my beans today for one special client with these ingredients. And I want to dedicate this recipe to Albertico and Tania. Ingredients for the preparation today. We have ground cumin, minced garlic, bay leaves, pepper, red and green, onions, sofrito, butternut squash, taro, white beans, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and at the beginning of the video I show you when I buy in Barcelona morcilla, chorizo ibérico, and bacon ibérico. This preparation we will make in the pressure cooker. We add 1 spoon of olive oil extra virgin and the bacon, ibérico bacon that we have. Cut it at the beginning. We flip up from the other side. We don't like that burning. We like that only take a little brownie or continues the preparation. We add the peppers, good in jardiniere, and start saute everything together. After 2 minutes, we add the onions in jardiniere too, and continue saute all together. We add garlic, the minced garlic. We add a little salt. It's time to add the water. I add 2 cups water. We add the beans. We continue with the cumin. We add the bay leaf. We add the sofrito. We add the morcilla and chorizo ibérico. We mix. Smell, oh my God, that smell super nice. And the butternut squash and taro we add at the end when the beans are soft. After 30 minutes in the pressure cooker, we add the butternut squash and the taro. And we put again another 15 minutes. This is the final result from the white bean soup, Cuban style. I hope that you enjoy, share, like, subscribe to my channel. We make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.